Welcome back to Organic Chemistry Lab. Well, this week we're going to explore and learn another purification technique. And last week you guys did acid-base extraction. This week, recrystallization. Some of you might be familiar with a show called Breaking Bad, right? They talk about crystal meth. Well, sorry to break it to you. Crystal meth is actually white crystal, not blue, like in the show, but the blue that's food coloring. But the technique that they use to recrystallize crystal meth is actually recrystallization. Okay, we're not making meth. Just to be clear, nah. You go back home and say, "Mom, Dad, my professor taught me how to make meth." Well, nah, we're not teaching you. I could, but I choose not to. So anyway, that's the definition of a recrystallization. Recrystallization. Basically, this technique we make molecules from highly organized solid called crystal from a solution. Basically, I'll take a look right here. So we have a solution contain your compound that you want, contain other impurities. We get everything into the solution and selectively um, make just the compound that you want from an organized solid called crystal. Okay, and we're gonna leave the impurities behind. I'll take a look at the process. So from the core solvent, we heat it up first, get everything, every single thing. You compound your the impurities into the solution, and then selectively make just your compound go back to the liquid to the solid form. Yeah, we call it crystallizing the second step. Okay, so the recrystallization usually have two main steps: dissolving and then crystallizing. And of course the last step as well, so isolating. So we have to remove your compound from the solvent and from the impurities. Okay, and this technique basically is a vacuum filtration, and most organic chemistry students know how to do that. The recrystallization may or may not involve the very first step we call hot filtration. We're gonna talk about what it's for later. Okay, all right. To do recrystallization, there are usually four important steps. Okay, the first one, we have to select the solvent to recrystallize your compound. Dissolve, crystallize, and then isolate. On the next video, we're going to talk about the first step. What do we do first? How do we start? Okay, all right, let's check on the next video with me.